Yes, welcome back to Poetry and Police. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Yes, people, we're back at it once again. And this afternoon, this good afternoon, I will be talking about the Commissioner of Police and his new crime strategy, people. Commissioner of Police seem to be seeking advice, seeking advice from some people, or he's been giving advice on how to tackle Jamaica's crime and violence. So now, in a recent thing, the commissioner had some kind of, the commissioner is talking about that, he's promising the business leaders in Jamaica. The whole instead of the whole Jamaica, I think you should promise the whole Jamaica and not just the business leaders in Jamaica. You promise that you're going to tackle crime. So the commissioner want to get rid of crime and violence straight off of the bat right so as him start the thing. And me respect the commissioner for that still. The commissioner, me respect you for that. Me like that speech there. Me like the approach that you want to tackle the crime. Trust me. You name Blake for a reason, cause Blake love fight crime, cause I know I'm a Blake and I like to fight crime and I do not like criminals. I don't support criminals at all. So now, but the commissioner, we really want to understand. So your plan now is to increase the numbers in the Jamaica Constabulary Force by about 800 people. Well-trained people. The numbers have been increasing over the years and we still suffer from crime and violence. Yes, I say we still are suffering. Jamaica is still suffering from crime and violence. So even when you increase the number, Commissioner, this still not going to help. You could have trained 1 million police commissioner. It's still not going to stop the crime. Still not going to stop crime, Commissioner. Still not going to stop crime. Because over the years, you have police officers who have put down them foot to fight crime. Police have do the thing at work and they were not treated properly. So the first thing what you need to do in a commissioner of police, you need to promote some people. Well, we see you promote some officers. But you need to look for the hardworking police, the dedicated hardworking police, and promote them first. Because that's where your strength are going to come from. Those are the police officers, the little foot soldiers, the constables and the corporals and the sergeants to the inspector. Those are the police who are going to really stand behind you, Commissioner of Police. Mr. Blake, me I tell you, those are the police are going to stand beside you because those police are the best kind of police you can find, the foot soldiers, the loyal police, brother. So now, what I want to understand from you, Commissioner, you say train people now to fight crime because you're talking about men on the street with the AK-47 about urban warfare and things. That's not new. You're talking about AK boy are bigger than AK road. Jamaica has already been in a urban warfare a long time ago. Your eyes is just being open. You just open your eyes and see what really going around your commissioner. You just smell the rose. You just smell the rose, Commissioner. Because I don't know how you plan to tackle this thing, but you have to get some real advice and you have to get some support from some real police, Commissioner. You have to get some support from some real police who can do the work. If you get 1 million man and train them, Commissioner, like me I tell you before, it's not going to make a difference, Commissioner. Because you know what? The first thing that you need to do, Commissioner, you have to get rid of the corruption out of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. And when we talk about get the corruption of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, I talk about the man them who wear the same uniform like you. We are corrupt the lower rank them in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. You understand me? I said that me I'm telling you, Commissioner, that's the first thing you have to do. The police force can't do nothing until it gets rid of the corruption. The police force can't do nothing until it sever ties with politicians. Me I tell you that, So if you get 1 billion police, it's not going to make a difference once the force is corrupt and once politics is involved in the force, my brother. No disrespect to you, no Commissioner of Police. But let me tell you something. You talk about 800 people. Where are those people coming from? I'm sure them people are going to be some people because right now the force only want to take on people with degrees. So how you going to work that now? Because no man now go have them degree and come a road, come run down criminals. Me I tell you that straight. No man now go do that. Because the way I see it right now, the way I see it right now is that the Jamaica Constabulary Force's recruiting thing has a different agenda right now. We are recruiting mostly people with degrees. And so the area of the Bigfoot police done and gone, No disrespect to Cowboy and Ox and them, man. We used to call them, man, the Bigfoot police. But the Bigfoot police, those Bigfoot police were the best police officers. You understand me? The Cowboys and the Ox and the Pewses and all of these men, they were the best police officers. Now, what you having at the Jamaica Constabulary Force these days? Look around you, Commissioner. Look around you. Be a 666 you have, You don't have no crime fighter in the Jamaica Constabulary Force like that anymore, no? A 666 you have, Man pretty up in a uniform and go up on social media, go talk, and man can do interviews and news media. That you have right now. That is the kind of force we have, Is a modeling thing you have a go on, Commissioner. It's a fashion show you have a go on in the Jamaica Constabulary Force right now, no? You have a few police in the Jamaica Constabulary Force who are still willing to go the long mile for do the work and get the criminals off the street. And then this is the thing, Commission, the police that pass before these men, These men are looking back and they are seeing the treatment of those men, who have given their lives for the Jamaica Constabulary Force in Aberdeen. The dedicated police officers were treated like dogs, and these were the men who gave their youth, gave their family and their livelihood and health to the Jamaica Constabulary Force with nothing in return, Commissioner. So man, I look upon that, Men are looking at that right now and say, yo, me no care, Because what may I ever get from this? Or risk my life? What am I risking my life for? And I'm going to tell you this. No man now go to university, go do him degree and come a road and come risk him life for the Jamaican citizens. May I tell you that? The man just come for the pretty clothes and the gun in a waist and the free car for drive. You better know that. So you have right now you don't even know where you start right now, Commissioner. You start that thing where I don't even believe it are going to go anywhere. It's not going to go anywhere, Commissioner. It's not going to go anywhere, Mr. Blake. I like your ambition, Mr. Blake. And if this is the way you feel that you can tackle the crime in Jamaica, all right, very well. But I am advising you, sir, that it is not going to go anywhere. Because the Jamaica Constabulary Force will never be as effective as it can be with the corruption that glooms over it. With those big pants man who sit down beside you, even now them a plot against you. If you even go on like you want, step on crime certain way in Jamaica, them go chub you out of office as fast as you go in. You better know that. Man like all Stewart will sit down there wait for your position. Because Stewart not like police, Stewart is an anti-police. What them call him? The administrative Mongol. You see me I say? Where cause police officers will leave the organization and can't get them money. Police officers can't get them pension. And Stewart that. And your position him a wait for, Because when he get commissioner of police, the work done. It is on its way out already, but the work will go finish further when him drop in at the office. Commissioner, listen, man. Like I said before, I love your idea. I love your ambition. But you have to find another way to go about this. Yes, 800 man, fine. But 800 idiots? A million idiots? Remember, most of these, out of this, how much brave police you have out of them, the 800 there? Some of them man you hear one firecracker, them run like some little fool dog in the ghetto. Mongrel dog, them run like. How much brave police officers you think you can find out of the 800? Worse if them a come from the university with a degree. Like I said before, no man no go university if you come run up and down on the street and run down criminal and risk them lives. Like me hear police say when I was serving, and gunshot fire out the road there, and I say, yo, I touch the road, go deal with that. You always find some police. I say, oh, me not no family out there, Me not no friend out there, Me good, My family there in my yard and them alright. And when you look around, at them same germs, they get promotion. Understand me? Just a commissioner. The man them who don't want to do no work, those are the men who get promotion. And the man will go out there, get gunshot, stress out, kill up himself, leave him family at home. That is the man who never moves, who stuck in the rank of corporal or constable for 40 years. Stuck in the rank of sergeant for 20 years. Can't move, while some little man will not do nothing, just a move around him. So everybody realize, you know, make sense my work then. So you can't just come in 800 man without a plan in the bridge. You have to have a plan for reward these men. And if you go the university route, you know, you better not. Poor people pick do better than the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Nobody, no police, no dunce, me I tell you that. People always feel like police dunce. Some man just never went to do a degree. And some of these people who come in the force talk about them have degree, buy it. A degree costs $1 million. Degrees are being sold on shelves at the UWI, and you know that too. You understand? But you know what, the commissioner come in office, I'm going to give you as much chance as possible to make a difference, my namesake. Make a difference. I've spoken to you personally when I was shot and injured and I was going through hell in the Jamaica Constable when Stuart was putting me through hell. I went to see you and you apologized to me on behalf of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and how sad you were of my situation, if you meant it, respect. So you know what? As a result of that, I am going to give you all the chance in the world to solve this thing. But listen, 800, like I'm saying to you, 800 men, no make sense if one of them not brave enough to fight crime. If one of them is not dedicated to fight the type of crime that is tearing down the Jamaican society. You have to get some police. These police have to... Listen, you don't need 800 men, Commissioner. All you need is some dedicated men. Dedicated men and men who are well taken care of. You hear me, Mr. Commissioner? All you need is some dedicated men. You don't need 800. You just need some dedicated men. 100 dedicated men. And you make sure that you take care of these men. And you will see the results. You have some of these men in the force already, you know? And even the age 35 thing, you need to change that, Commissioner. Full time now, foolishness. You need to change that. Some men are in the force who are giving their livelihood and their youth to the force can still be promoted and go on certain programs. No, you need to cut that out. You're not young neither. Suppose they say you can't turn commissioner of police because you're 35 or over. You see what I say? But like I said, Commissioner, I'm watching you and I'm giving you the chance to make a difference. You name Blake. And Blake people are proud people. Clean heart people. People in a back down and people don't take orders from people. Let's see if you are one of those Blakes. Alright? Let's see if you are going to be commissioner for the people of Jamaica and for the members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and not commissioner for Andrew Wellness. Alright?